Start with the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and most beneficent. Dear audience, the given motion is what is solution of any problems. Dear audience, I have given only 3 minutes to describe this topic, but it is very difficult for me to describe this topic in 3 minutes, but I will try my best to advance something about this topic. Dear audience, what is war? A state of armed conflict among different countries or different groups within a country. War is generally defined as violent conflict among states or nations. Nations go to war for a variety of reasons. It has been argued that a nation will go to the war if the benefits of war are deemed to outweigh the disadvantage, and there is only one solution to solve all problems, and that is war. We say that war is solution to reclaim and reform disloyal and rebels. If there will no war, so everyone will get opportunity to disobey. For example, if there will war, so no one will claim officership and apostleship because he looks his consequent in front of his eyes. No one will affront the companions. No one will abuse my companions. No one will reduce in quantity. Cruels will not be dull, and the faithless will think 100 times before any breach against Muslim. What is solution of any problems? Dear audience, the alive example is Afghanistan in front of our eyes. They fought a lot of years. Because of their success, they got prosperity. But a lot of ignorant people say that war is never a lasting solution of any problem. They deny and refuse the war. They are saying that war is not a good habit. The country is destroyed by war. This talk seems very heavier outwardly, but you will have to study the history. You will have to look and think about these realities and facts. America didn't stop the war even a day since last 200 years. Israel didn't stop the war from his settlement and foundation till today for a while and movement, and they are solidifying from the war. But on the other hand, the runner of the countries of Arab from the war are going to weak slowly day by day. In the last era, the Germany, Japan and Korea have fought too much long and fearful battles, and these